Matthew, you want to come walk over here? Come on, walk to me. Yeah, you're a big boy. Come this way?
Curious George is provided by contributions to your PBS station. And from viewers like you. Thank you.
Good walking. Very good.
Proud sponsor of Curious George.
Cheese. Cheese. Want to go walk that way? Go back to your table? Go slow though. Get your balance.
Proud supporter of PBS Kids.
Good boy, Matthew. Yes. Yes. Great walking.
Hola. Curious George loves to play games, so let's play a matching game. Ready? Which hat belongs to the firefighter? Is it the red hat or the yellow hat?
Gonna walk all the way to the table?
Right, the red hat. This hat belongs to the man with the yellow hat. And you can play more games with him and Curious George at pbskids.org. Now, do you know who this hat belongs to? It's the cat in the hat. And the cat in the hat knows a lot about that, is next.
Oh, you like this one, right? You want to walk over to the table? Let's see you walk one more time. Go ahead, you got it. Good boy. You want to come back? Get your balance. Oh, boom. That's okay. Where did he go? There's that Matthew. There he is. Is he going to get up again? Well, there he is. Perfect. Perfect walking. Good job. Big hug. Yay.